YouTube. So it's been a while. I'm gonna vlog today. I'm going to take you guys with me to the ugly Christmas party sweater. I'm going to take you guys to the ugly Christmas sweater party that I'm going to. I'll be seeing my friends from high school that I haven't seen in a while, so I'll post you guys up on it. And I'm just finishing up my ugly sweater, so it's gonna be pretty dope, and I'll keep on recording. So my sweater actually turned out pretty well. Look. And I'll just record more once I get to house because I'm kind of late now, so. Hey YouTube, so I just want to recap over last night before going to gym, but basically it was really good seeing everyone. Like, I haven't seen my friends, actually I haven't seen a couple of them for like maybe a year now. My girlfriends, I saw them Thanksgiving, but to be honest, before that I haven't seen them for a couple months because I barely come back from San Diego to San Francisco just because it's such a far drive, and like, not only that, like, it's expensive flying back and forth, you know, so I don't really get that chance or that luxury to come back home all the time. But it just felt so good to be with everyone, especially everyone from high school, because I mean, my friends are really important to me. I love to keep in touch, and it was just good seeing like all my high school friends. Like 4 years from high school, we're all still really close, so it was just good seeing everyone. Like, our white elephant was fun, this Christmas ugly sweater contest, like, it was just really good. And I don't know, I'm just really happy with 2014 basically. But what I also want to say is that, so for 2015 I want to, you know, basically I really want to be, what is that word? Basically, I really want to keep my YouTube channel stable. I don't want to be like making a video and not making one for half a year, basically what I've been doing for so long. So just with 2015, someone from YouTube, was it Changman or whatever, contacted me and told me basically I have to get rid of all my old YouTube content because it's all copyrighted, you know, music, which sucks. But it is what it is. So I'm going to be getting rid of all my old YouTube videos, at least privating them. I don't know if I have to delete them, but I'll be getting rid of them. You guys won't see my rave videos anymore, my vlogs from then, or how to make a rave bra. I don't really rave anymore, to be honest. I mean, I'll go to events, but I don't wear those outfits. I just wear literally high-waisted shorts and a crop top now. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm going to put on my YouTube. I'm gonna definitely make more vlogs because literally when I'm on Snapchat I narrate my life and people tell me I'm basically vlogging. So that's what I'm gonna do for sure. So more vlogs. I've been working out more, so fitness stuff, I don't know, dieting stuff. I've gained so much weight from this year just from stress, but we'll see what's up. And I'm applying for I applied for graduation today, so graduating spring 2015. Gotta learn how to DJ. My friends' kiddos got me a DJ set, so we'll see what's up with that. And yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. Love you guys. This is probably my last video for 2014, and I hope you guys stay with me throughout 2015. Bye.